Hi guys.
Hi, sir.
Hi. Hi guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah guys. Yeah, let's just see that. Okay guys, first of all, let me check that here. We are going to discuss. Yes, see that. Mapping data types here. Mapping data types. Mapping. Let's see that now guys. Mapping data types here. What about mapping data types exactly here? See that now here. There is just only one data type here. That is called dictionary. Just see that. Here mapping means you're going to store two values. Key and value, both here. Just see that now here. It will store keys and values here. Keys and values. See that it will store keys and values here. Such kind of data types is called. Such kind of data types is called mapping data types here. Mapping data types. Mapping data types. Just see that now. What I'm trying to say, guys. See that you will store key and values here. Keys and values. Such kind of data types is called mapping data types here. Just here in the Python, there is one data type here. There is only one data type. One data type here is called dictionary. Is called dictionary data type. Dictionary. DICT shortcut name. It's a dictionary data type here. It's a dictionary data type. Just see that now here. Mapping data types here. What about mapping data types here? It will store keys and values. Such kind of data types is called mapping data types here. There is only one data type in the Python here. It's called a dictionary. It's a full form dictionary here. Shortcut name DICT. It's a shortcut name DICT, full form dictionary. Let us see that now, guys. You see that. First of all, let me check in the real-time projects where we should use dictionary. See that in the real-time projects. In the real-time projects here, where we should use dictionary. See that where we should use dictionary. See that at what type of applications using dictionary object here. See that now in the real-time projects. In the real-time projects where we should use dictionary here. Suppose if you take here any like that if you take the government they are going to survey family members, right? Otherwise that some any application like any cricket app like BCCI app. See that BCCI app here. In the tab here, they are going to check player name and runs here. Player name and runs, right? See that now at a time they are going to check player name and runs here. Key and value. See that we are going to store name, then value here. If we take the BCCI, see that BCCI app, in that app here, the board people, they're going to check the player name and runs here. Suppose after 1 year or 2 years, they're going to give some allowances to players, right? Something, right? Just see that now. What I'm trying to say, guys, in the real-time projects, where we should use dictionary object. At a time, we want to store key and value here. Suppose player names and runs here. See that we want to store both here at a time. Player names and runs here. See that, especially in the BCCI app. If you take the BCCI board here, they're going to create some apps here. In the apps here, they're going to, they made 2 columns here. Player names and runs here. At a time, how to store these 2 values here? We should go dictionary object. We should go dictionary object here. See that, what I'm trying to say here. In the banking application, customer app. In the banking application here, we take the customer app here. Customer application here. Here we are going to store customer name and customer account ID or something here. If we take the student here, student app. Student name and runs marks here. Student apps here. At a time we want to store student name and marks here, both. See that. At a time we want to store name and runs here. In the customer app, customer name and customer account number, both here. Here also customer name and account number. See that now, guys. Here in the student app here, student name and marks here. At a time we want to store these 2 fields here. At a time we want to store these 2 attributes. See that now in the real-time projects where we should use dictionary object. Just see that. At a time we want to store key and values, like key meant for name, value meant for runs here. Here also key name, key is the name, value is the account number. Key is the name, value is the marks here. Just see that now in the real-time projects where we should use dictionary object. Just see that now here. In the BCCI apps here, in the customer apps, in the banking domain, in the student apps here. Like if you take the college domain, it's college domain here. It's a college domain. College domain here. This is called banking domain here. It's a banking domain. Just see that now, guys. It's a banking domain, right? It's a banking domain here. Banking domain, right? See that now. Domains, right? Banking domain here. This is called here. It's a different domain, right? It's a JE domain. Enterprise application here. Enterprise application domain here. Just see that now, guys. It's a banking domain. It's a college domain. Just see that. Okay, let me come back here. Let us see that. What about dictionary? How does it work here? What about dictionary here? Dictionary. How does it work here? How does dictionary works here? Dictionary works. Let us see that now, guys. Here, see that it can store key and values here. It can store keys and values. It can store keys and values, guys. Keys and values. See that now in the real-time projects, the interview persons, they're going to ask, could you tell me in the real-time projects where we should use a dictionary object in the, like, you know, that in the BCCI apps, like enterprise applications, in the banking domain, just like customer apps here, in the management domain, just like student apps here. In that case, see that in such requirement, we are going to use dictionary object. It can store keys and values. The second one, it cannot store duplicate keys. It cannot store duplicate keys here. It cannot store duplicate keys. See that now here we can't store duplicate keys here. It cannot store duplicate keys. But it can store duplicate values here. But it can store duplicate values. See that we can't store duplicate keys, but it can store duplicate values. See that now, guys. See that it can store key and values here. Here, see that we can't store duplicate keys, but we can store duplicate values. Next one here. See that now, guys. Here, see that based on that key, see that based on that key, we can fetch values here. See that based on that key, can fetch values. Fifth one, we can store any primitive values here. We can store any primitive values. Any primitive values here. We know that. Any primitive values. You can store any primitive values here. You can inject list of, you can see that we can store list objects also here. You can store list objects also. Just see that now, guys. See that how does it works here? How does dictionary works here? Just see that what type of values you can store. See that now points here, it can store key and values. See that now here, it has to represent curly brace here. It has to represent curly brace here. It has to represent, see the curly brace here. It has to represent curly braces. Just see that now, guys. It has to support it. See that nested dictionaries here. See that. Here you can use nested dictionary also here. See that. You can use nested dictionary here. See that. Nested. You can use nested DICT objects here. See that. You can use nested objects also here. Nested dictionary objects here. Just see that now, guys. How does it work here? Let us see that one by one. Just see that now, first of all, guys. This is called simple mapping data types here. There are only one data type, is called a dictionary. Just see that. In the dictionary here, see that. See that. In the real-time project where we should use dictionary object. In the BCCI app, especially we are going to store player names and runs here in that case. Next one, coming to just come back to banking domain. Just see that in the banking domain, if you take the customer application, customer name and account number both we need to store in the database. Coming to management project here, like here we are going to store a student name and marks here. At a time we want to store these two columns here. At a time we want to store these two items into, see that, single object. See that these two objects, we are going to store these two items into single object here. See that every time we used to, see that we want to store these two values into single object. That is called a dictionary here. Just see that how does it works here? Dictionary. Whatever values you can store. Just see that. Can I store duplicate values? Yes, you can store duplicate values, but we can't store duplicate keys. Just see that now, guys. How does it works here? Just see that. See that now here. We can store duplicate values, but we can't store duplicate keys. Here, based on that key, we can fetch values here. We can store any primitive values. We can store list objects here. It has to represent curly brace. We can use nested dictionary objects here. Just see that now, guys. Is there any doubt here? In the dictionary theoretical part, is there any doubt, guys? Yes, guys.
No, sir. No.
Just come back to here. Example, we'll see that. Directly come back to example, guys. We'll see that now here. Okay, let us create now. Simple example now, guys. See that now directly. Here, how to create dictionary object, guys. Okay, we are going to create an employee dictionary here. We are going to create employee dictionary. Employee dictionary here, just see that now. It's a, see that how to represent dictionary here. How to represent dictionary, guys? Curly braces. Here, let me see that. E name, it's a key here. Employee, it's a key value. E name, then value, comma. See that now here. How to create, see that, employee dictionary object. In that object, how to store keys and values here. Just see that, keys and values. It's a key, it's a value here. Employee name, first of all, EID. EID, then employee name, right? It's in a single quotes here. Something here. Next one. Employee sal. Something, right? Employee sal here. Next one. Age also, guys. Age. Employee age also. 34. Done, guys. See that now dictionary here. Just see that now, guys. I created only one object here. Employee dictionary object. Just see that now here. How to create dictionary object. Just see that how to store key and values. Suppose here, guys, see that now. This is called here. One syntax here. The second object here. Just see that second object now here. It's a one more example here. Here you can store list of objects here. We want to store list of objects. Let me take the list here. 101. You can store list of objects here. 102, 103, 104, etc. Here also you can store list of names also, guys. Employee names also. Ravi. Name. List of objects, guys. Just see that you can store list of objects also, guys. Here also, list of salaries also, you can store it. 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, 15,000. Just see that now, guys. Here also, age. You want to store number of like more than one object, right? 35, 36, 37, 38. List of, see the list of objects also, guys. 39 also, guys. 39. See that we can store any primitive. See that list of objects here. See that we can see that we can store any primitive values. We can store list of objects also here. See that EID. See that EID. What is the EID here? List of IDs here. E name also list of names here. E cell also list of salaries here. Age also. How many values here? There are 4 values. Just see that. If you want, you can store any Boolean value also, guys. Gender also. Otherwise, male. Male also here. Male. True or false? Gender. True or false? Just see that now, guys. True or false? Just see that now, guys. You can inject list objects also. Just see that. You can store list objects also here in the dictionary. Just see that. It's an example code. Just see that. Here, see that I given single value. EID 101, E name Ravi, E sal 12,000, age also 34. Here, see that now I given list of objects here. We should go list object. What is the list object here? Square brackets. See that list of IDs, list of names, list of salaries, list of age values, gender values. You can store any value, not an issue, guys. Just see that now here. Next one, nested dictionary objects here. Nested dictionary objects. Just see that. Okay, here let me create inner objects here. What is the nested dictionary objects here? Nested dictionary objects. Is there any doubt here? Here in the first object, is there any doubt? Guys, Yes, is there any doubt in the first object?
No, sir.
In the second object, guys? In the second object, is there any doubt? Employee 2. Yes or no?
No, sir.
Now, nested dictionary. See that? What is a nested dictionary here? Inner objects here. How to create inner objects? Nested objects here, like inner objects here. Just like inner objects. Just like inner objects here. How to create inner objects now? Let us see that. Just take it now, one big outer dictionary. It's an outer dictionary here. Employees. Employees here. It's outer dictionary here. It's outer dictionary. Let us create inner dictionary here. EMP1. Just see that inner dictionary here. It's an inner dictionary, guys. EMP1. See that? It's an inner dictionary. It's the first object here. It's the second object here. Inner dictionaries. Third object here. Fourth object if you want. See that now? It's outer dictionary closing here. Just see that now, guys. Here, EID. 101. Next one, guys. E-name. E-name. Raja. Same here also. Let me check that now, guys. ESAL also, if you want. Last one, ESAL. Let me copy the same. Say MP2. So one more object here. Just see that now, guys. Inner objects. How to create inner objects here? How to create inner objects? Nested objects here. Nested objects. Just see that now, guys. Inner objects. JSON format only. It's a JSON format. Just see that. You can create a number of objects here. In the same way, you can create a number of objects. You can create a number of objects here. Okay, just see the nested objects here. Just see that now, guys. Nested objects. See that now? This is called simple object here. Here, you're storing list objects here. Here, these are the inner objects here. Dictionary inner objects. Dictionary inner objects here. Okay, guys. Here, let us see that now, guys. Dictionary methods. Dictionary methods here. Let me check the dictionary methods here. Dictionary methods. Let me check that now. Dictionary methods. The first method, clear method. What's the clear method, guys? It has to remove all objects. It has to remove all objects from dictionary. It has to clear, right? It has to remove all objects from dictionary here. Next one, guys. Keys here. Keys method. It has to fetching only keys here. You have to fetch only keys from dictionary. Keys from dictionary here. Values. See that it has to fetch values from dictionary. It has to fetch values from dictionary here. Only values. It has to fetch only values from dictionary. Next one, guys. Items. Just see that now, guys. It has to fetch both here. It has to fetch keys and values both here. It has to fetch keys and values from dictionary here. See that now, guys. It has to fetch keys and values from dictionary. Next one, guys. Pop here. Pop. Pop, guys. What is a pop now, guys? It has to remove. It has to remove given key value. It has to remove given key value as well. It has to return. See that it has to remove and return both here. It has to remove given key value and it has to return the same value. It has to return the same value. See that remove and return both here. It has to return same value. It has to return, see that it has to remove given key value and it has to return the same value. That is a pop here. Get that. Get here. Just see that get also, guys. Inbuilt methods. All are inbuilt here. All are inbuilt, guys. Get method. Inbuilt here. What is the get method here? It has to return specified key value. It has to return specified key value. See that now, guys. It has to return specified key value. Get method. Next one, pop item. Pop item. See that now here. It has to return last key and value here from dictionary. It has to return last key and value pair from dictionary object. See that it has to return, it has to remove here. Remove and return here. It has to remove and return both here. It has to remove and return last key value pair from dictionary object, etc. Here we have so many methods. These methods are enough here. These methods are enough. Just see that these are the very important in the, see that these are the important methods. These are the important methods here in the real-time projects. Okay, let me see that now, guys, one by one. Just come back to here. Let's see that now, guys. First of all, let us see that now, guys. Just come back to here, Visual Studio. Let us create first example now. DLCT demo.py. Demo.py, guys. Okay, first of all, let me see the employee object, single object only. It's a single object, guys. Okay, just see that. Let me copy the same code now, guys. Just copy the same code. Okay, guys, same code here. I copied same code from Notepad. I want to display that now. Print here, display. Employee. Display that now, guys. Let me check the type also, guys. Type also. What is the type here? Dictionary type. Let me check the type also. Apply type. Let me save it now. Let me save it now, guys. We'll see that now. Just come back to here. Come back to here. Just come back to 730 batch, right? Yeah. 730 batch. Okay, just PY. What is that name? DICT demo, right? Let's see that we are getting that, guys. See that what is the data type here? Dictionary type. Dictionary type only we are getting. Okay, guys. Here, let me see that. I want to access age object. I want to access age object here. How to access that, guys? I want to access age object. How to access that? Guys, age object. I want to access age object. Directly you can just give that age object here. You can access the directly age. Print here. I want to access age object only. Yes, age object only we are going to access. Yeah, see that we are getting access age object only. Just see that we are accessing only age object. We want to modify that age object here. We want to modify the age object. Let me see that now here. We want to modify the age object. Let me modify that now. I don't want to 34. Let me keep it 25. Let me check that now after change it. After changing. After updating age object. After updating age object. After updating age object here. Just see that. See that how to update it now here. Let me check that now. Single only I took a single object only. We'll see that if you take the nested objects, how to update it, how to delete it. We'll see that. First of all, see that now, guys. We are in the single object. First of all, you guys should focus on that single object only. How to access age object, how to modify that. Any object here. You can modify any object, not an issue, guys. You can modify any object. Just see that. Save it now. Come back. See that after modify. After modify that. I want to remove that. I want to remove age object here. I want to remove age object. So directly there is a one keyword, del keyword here. Del employee age object. Del keyword directly. You can use del keyword or pop method. Pop also can use it. Let me copy this after delete age object here. Yes, see that. After delete age object. After delete age object from dictionary. From dictionary, guys. From dictionary. Just see that now, guys. Save it now. After delete age object, let me check that now here. Is there any age object now? See that now? After deleting, there is no age object here. After deleting, there is no age object. See that after deleting age object, just see that we are getting. See that there is no object here after deleting. After deleting, we are displaying that, but we can't get it. We can't get it here, guys. Just see that. See that we are manipulating the dictionary object, right? See that how to adding that one more object here. How to adding one more object, guys? Here. See that now here. How to adding one more object? Let me adding one more object, guys. After deleting, let me adding one more time. Age object. After deleting, adding one more object here, 45. Again, let me display that here. After adding age object. After adding age object. See that after deleting, once again, we are adding that. We are adding the age object. As well, we are adding age object and the department object also here. What is the department name? What is the department name? IT department or HR department. See that we are adding age and the department both here. After adding two objects. After adding age and the department. Let me check that now, guys. Let me display that now here. Let me display that print employee object, total object now. You'll see that these are the code operations, guys. I took single object. See that we are doing code operations here. We are manipulating that. You see that here? We are displaying that only age object. We are modifying that. Then we are deleting that. Again, we are adding these two objects, age and department. We want to print it. Just see that. Just see that now, guys. Just see that. Come back to here. Come back to here. Just see that now here. It's very simple. Just see that now. Okay, let me remove that. Already deleted, right? After deleting, there is no age object, right? One more time. Let me see that. Let me remove this code. Okay. Now adding these two objects now. Adding these two objects here. Let me check that now, guys. Just adding these two objects. Just see that department also we are getting HR department, age also we are getting 45. After adding these two objects. Just see that now, guys. See that we are using single object. In the single object, we are adding department and age here. Just see that. Is there any doubt here, guys, in this code? Yes or no? Hi, guys.
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt in this code? Ravi Kumar, Abhiram, Bharat. Hi, Bharat. Just see that code here. Single object. I have taken single object only. I have taken single object, guys. Already we have done cloud operations, right? Here also we are doing cloud operations only. See that. On the single object, see that we are doing cloud operations here. We are accessing single object. We are modifying that. We are adding these two objects. HR and again 45. Just see that. Okay, guys, let me see that. Here. Okay, let me see that. I want to remove this code, guys. Okay. Here, let me apply the if conditions, guys. How to apply the if conditions, guys? If conditions. How to apply the if conditions, guys? If conditions. I want to apply the if condition. Okay, first of all, take the for loop here. I want iterating all objects. Okay. Okay, guys. See that? I want iterating all objects here. We should go for loop here. Okay, let me give that I in employee. Let me display the I value. If we display the I value, what is the I value, guys? We are going to get only keys here. EID, ename, and ESAL. Only keys we are getting. Only keys we are getting. Just see that. Run this code. We are getting only keys. Only keys we are getting, guys. See that we are getting only keys. Suppose here, see that it's printing keys only. Keys only. Keys, guys. In the same way, let me take one more for loop here. Okay, local variable I in employee, print here, employee of I. You see that now? It has displayed the only values here. See that? Values only. Values, see that? Here it has displayed the only keys here. Here it has displayed the only values here. Here there is no methods, inbuilt methods, there is no methods. Just see that for loops only. Through for loops, we are accessing that keys and values. See that now. Let me run this code. We'll see. Just see that here we separate, we are getting keys. Here separate, we are getting values here. Okay. Let me do that. Okay, let me start it now here. Okay, save it now. Just see that now separate, we are getting keys here. Here separate, we are getting values here. Just see that. Here there is no inbuilt methods. There is no any, see that. There is no inbuilt methods here. You can use inbuilt methods also here. How to use get keys? How to use the keys and values method, guys? How to use it? Keys and values. Here, see that? Here there is no inbuilt methods. Through for loops, we are accessing that keys and the values here. Suppose how to use the methods only. See that? How to use inbuilt methods. How to use inbuilt methods here. How to use inbuilt methods. Just see that now. Okay. Let me use inbuilt methods. For loop I in employees. I want fetching only keys here. Only keys. Keys only. Print. Print I value. See that now here. In the same way, let me show the separately, guys. Through methods only, guys, we are doing that. Values. Okay, guys, just see that now, guys. Separately, we are doing that, all things, right? Just see that. Just see that now. Let me take it now here without methods here. Without methods, we are using only for loops only. Here, just see that we are using methods, inbuilt methods. We are using inbuilt methods, inbuilt keys and values. Just save it now. Save it now, guys. Let me run this code now. Just we are getting all things. Just see that. Through for loops only we are getting. Through methods also we are getting same output here. See that we are using for loops, we are getting same output as well. We are using methods also, we are getting same output. Separately, we are getting keys and values here. See that separately we are getting keys and values. Separately. Let me come back here, guys. See that now here. Is there any doubt, guys? See that code. Is there any doubt how to create dictionary object? In the dictionary object, after how to display the only keys here by using for loops. Just see that. How to display the values by using for loops here. How to use inbuilt methods, keys and values method. Just see that. How to use inbuilt methods, inbuilt. How to use it. Just see that now, guys. Now let me access. I want iterating all things here. At a time, I want to access both here. See that. At a time, I want to access both. See that. I want to access it both here. I want to access. Otherwise, are iterating both. Iterating both here. Both means keys and values. I want to access. Are iterating both here. We should go items method. We should go items method here. Otherwise, we should use simple for loop here. See that we should go methods. Key, V in employee dot items here. Items method. Let me display the key and value, guys. See that I declared these two variables. Key and value. Otherwise, you should give key, then value here. So I declared these two values, key and value here. I declared, just see that now, guys. These two variables. Let me display that now, guys. Key, space, then value, then slash n. Okay, guys, let me see that. We are going to get at a time keys and values here. Let me run this code. We'll see. Oh, something is missing. What is that? Invalid syntax here. Here also comma missing. Here also space, something space. Otherwise, slash t. We should use slash t here, guys. Okay, guys, let me see that it's running now. Just see that keys and values you're getting here. We are getting key at a time, then value. See that we are getting both here. We are getting both. Just see that. Just see that code. Is there any doubt in this code, guys? Hi, guys. Just see that now. Is there any doubt in this code, guys?
No, sir.
Gautam, Chaitanya. Hi, Gautam.
No, sir.
You see that, is there any doubt here? It's very simple code here.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, here, see that I took only single object only. Only single object here. I took only single object. See that? How to use the for loop here? How to use keys method, values method, items method. Here you can keep it the condition also, guys. If condition. How to keep it? How to put the if condition, guys? How to keep it now if condition here? Just see that now here. Who is getting, see that? Who is getting 10,000 above? That guy is going to get increment here. Already 101, Ravi is getting increment. See that? Suppose let me give the condition, if condition here. How to keep it if condition, guys? See that? How to check the if condition here? How to give bonus for? See that? How to give increment? How to give increment for who is getting 10,000 above salary here? 10,000 above salary. 10,000 above salary. Just see that. How to give increment here? Who is getting 10,000 above salary? How to give the if condition, guys? If condition. Just see that if condition here directly. If employee of E shall. See that now, single object, E shall, right? Yeah. E shall above 10,000. Then let me give the increment here. Let me give the increment. How much increment here? How much increment, guys? We want to give the increment here? 5,000 increment. 5,000 increment here. Otherwise, go to else part. Go to else part here. Let me see the decrement here. We are going to give decrement here. How much decrement here? 2,000 decrement here. See that how to keep it if condition also, guys. How to keep it if condition also, just see that. Who is getting 10,000 above? That guy is going to get increment here. See that who is not getting 10,000 above? That guy is going to get decrement here. After condition, let me check that now here. Let me print now. See that according to condition, this fellow is going to get increment here. This fellow is going to get increment because he's getting 12,000 here. Just see that after increment here, he's going to get 17,000. According to condition here, this fellow is going to get increment here. How much increment here? 5,000 increment. Just see that now here. According to condition only, just see that. After condition here. After condition. Let me print now. Print here. We want to print it now. We want to print it now, guys. Print employee object. Done, guys. Let me see that now, guys. Let me run this code. We'll see what's happening now. Is getting or not getting. Oh, let me give that this one. Yeah, single quotes also required, guys. Yeah, here I given wrong, right? Yeah. Here also, let me do that. Okay, guys, let me see that. Save it now. Save it now, guys. Let me come back. No, it's working fine. Just see that. After condition also is getting increment here, 17,000 increment. See that now, guys. How to check the if condition here? See that he's getting increment here. Suppose, let me give that now, guys. Let me remove that. He's getting 9,000 here. 9,000. Now see that 9,000 here. He's not eligible for increment here. He is not eligible for increment. Just see that. He's going to eligible for decrement here. He's going to eligible for decrement now. He's going to eligible for, see that. He's not eligible for increment here. He's going to get decrement here. How much here? 2,000. Let me see that. Let me come back. Okay, you're getting decrement also. Actual sale 9,000 after decrement here. Just see that now, guys. How to use the if condition here. Here you can apply multiple conditions here, guys. Who is getting 10,000 above and the age should be here. Age also, guys. Age also. Age should be 25 below. 25 below here. See that now? Age should be 25 below. 25 below here. See that two conditions should be satisfied here. See that now? It's a very simple, guys. Simple conditions here. See that we are giving conditions. Who is getting sal 10,000 above as well. Age should be 25 below. Is there any record here in our dictionary? Let me give that 15,000 or 12,000 here. Okay, age also 34. See that now. If I give the 34, see that now. One condition is true, second condition is false here. Then it goes to else part here. See that. He's going to get decrement here. Because here, see that what is the logical end? What is the logical end here? All conditions should be satisfied here. All conditions, just see that. All conditions should be satisfied. All conditions should be satisfied, then only he's going to get increment here. Suppose age also 21 here. Now he's going to get eligible here. See that he's good. See that the two conditions are getting true here. See that the first condition is true, second condition also is true here. Just see that. Just see that now, guys. See that who is getting 10,000 above? Yes, Ravi is getting. See the sal also 12,000. Age also 21 here. See that these two conditions are getting. See that satisfied here. These two conditions are getting true here. Then he's going to get increment. How much here? 5,000 here. Let me see that. Let me see that now, guys. See that how to apply the multiple conditions here. Just see that he's getting 17,000 increment also. Because these two conditions, see that he's getting, these two conditions are true here. He's getting 12,000. The age is 21. These two are getting true conditions here. He's going to get increment here. You can add one more condition also, guys. If you want one more condition, guys, just see that. One more condition also can add that. What is one more condition, guys? What is one more condition, guys? What is one more condition here? He shall. Here also, let me add one more thing, commission. Commission also, guys. Commission 100. Who is getting commission, guys? Just see that. Who is getting commission also, guys? See that now, commission. COMM, commission here. You see that? Who is getting commission here? Here, com. One more condition here. Com is not null, not equal to 0. Just see that. com not equal to 0 here. Then he's going to get increment here. He's going to get increment how much here? 5,000. Just see that how many conditions I have written here. Just see that now, guys. I have written different conditions here, guys. Just see that. See that now, guys. It's a very simple condition, right? I have written. Now see that, save it now. Again, Ravi is going to get increment here. Ravi is going to get increment now. Just see that. Because commissioner also is getting increment 17,000 here. Just see that now, guys. See that? Is there any doubt in this code, guys? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, sir. Good.
Next one, guys. Just see that simple conditions are given there. Simple conditions only.
Right.
In IoT app, we are going to give the same conditions here, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. In the same way, you can add multiple conditions, guys. See that here, you can add one more attribute, branch name also here. Branch name also. B name. One more object, B name. Branch name. What is the branch name here? HYD. See that who is working HYD department? See that who is working in the like branch name IT branch. IT branch here. See that now branch name, guys. Who is working IT branch? Here also, let me add one more condition, guys. See that no conditions here. You can add a number of conditions, guys. See that. Let me come back here. Just see that one more condition also, guys. Here also, logical and see that logical and one more condition, guys. Employee of B name, branch name equal to IT. IT only. Just see that now. It's IT. Then he's going to get increment here. He's going to get increment 5,000 only. Just see that now, guys. He's going to get increment 5,000. Just see that you can add a number of conditions here. In the same way, you can add a number of conditions. Save it now. We are going to get same output now. Also. See that? See that we are getting same output here. He's getting increment because all conditions are true here. All conditions are true. It's the first condition, 10,000 above. Second condition, 25 below. Third condition, commission is not null. Fourth condition, he is working still in IT department. He is working in IT department here. Just see that. All conditions are true here. I given 4 conditions. The 4 conditions are true. He is going to get increment here 5,000 here. He is getting increment just 5,000. You can add multiple conditions here in the same way. In the same way, we can add multiple conditions here. Anyway, in tomorrow's class, we'll see that multiple conditions here. Already in today's class, we saw the 4 conditions. In tomorrow's class, we'll see that how to create inner objects, how to check multiple conditions here. In tomorrow's class, we'll see that. You guys see that now code here. See that coding style here. How to create dictionary object, how to store key and values. Here, don't take the duplicate keys here. Don't take the duplicate keys. Suppose one more time. Same key here. Don't take the duplicate key here. If you take a duplicate key, let me see that. What's happening now? Don't take the duplicate key, guys. See that now? But see that it can't store the duplicate key. Only one time itself here. One time itself we are getting EID. But 2 times I given EID here. The same ID 2 times I given that. But we can store duplicate value, not a just we can ignore value, guys. What Chaitanya? Hi Chaitanya. I think maybe time is time is what's the time now? 8:42. Okay, guys, not an issue. In tomorrow's class, we'll see that more examples. Okay, guys. Hi, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.